Hey guys, haven't made a video in a while, but I just got back from New Jersey from a week. I didn't get out much metal detecting on the beach, but as you can see, this is what I found. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the number of quarters I found. Again, I go to Ocean City, New Jersey, so I've been there a bunch. It was a little slow, a lot of people there, so I saw a lot of people out there. But $9 in quarters, 35 cents in nickels, $1.90 in dimes, 28 cents in pennies. This was like the clean stuff. As you can see, I cleaned up a lot of this. As you guys know from my other videos, if you watched them, this is what they usually look like. I tried cleaning them up, but these are the ones that I found in the wet sand. Caked on stuff that I haven't been able to get off. Let's see. Found one Canadian penny, 1987, I believe. Here's a 10 euro. I don't know where this one's from. So it's 10 euro. 10 Enta. So I'll have to look that one up. But and this was in the hole, and it's gold. So I thought, oh man, I found a ring. Nope. And then I got lucky. I found one wheat penny someone dropped. 1940s. So I don't know how good that is. Obviously I cleaned it up. Still a little dirty. But it's always fun to find Wheaties. Usually I find a lot of sinkers. Didn't find many sinkers this time. I'm part of a sinker. A couple cars. Woo! And there's my junk pile. The reason I always put on the junk setting is because I use the Ace 350, and a lot of times the junk sounds just like a nickel. It's a little more broken up, but I like to dig the junk anyway, and a lot of times in the junk pile I do find coins. So if it's a nice sounding junk, I'll pick it up. The worst is foil. Foil on the Ace 350 sounds really good. Bottle caps sound really good. I guess these are aluminum for tents. Somebody's blind, but yeah, there you go, guys. Again, quick hunt. I only went out about 3 or 4 times, mostly in the morning, salt in the dry sand. I'm hoping to pick up a white beach hunter. I think it's 330, so I can go in the wet sand and find some rings, but not one piece of jewelry, which I'm a little shocked by. I usually find something, even something junk, but all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.